இனிய பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் அண்ணி. ஸோ காட் பிளஸ் யூ. நீங்களும் பாப்பா வாங்கணும் எப்போ சந்தோஷமா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நான் ப்ரே பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஏன்னா இந்த பர்த்டே வந்து உங்களை பார்க்க முடியல, ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ணுறோம் பாப்பாவை, உங்களை, அண்ணன் எல்லாத்தையும். பட் இருந்தாலும் கடவுள் உங்க கூட இருக்காரு, எப்பவும் இருப்பார் அப்படின்னு நான் வேண்டிக்கிறேன். இனிய பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
சிறவேளை ஆசீர்வதிப்பதே கர்த்தருக்கு பிரியம் என்று சொன்ன வார்த்தையின்படி இன்னும் அநேக பிறந்த நாட்களுக்கான கர்த்தர் உனக்கு உதவி செய்வார். பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்களை சொல்லி.
Hi Annie, happy birthday. Wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Hi Annie, many more happy returns of the day. God bless you. இன்னைக்கு போல் நீங்கள் என்றைக்கும் ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கணும்னு நாங்கள் வாழ்த்துறோம். many more happy returns of the day.
Hi guys, I know it's been 13 years and this is the first time that it's the first time that I am speaking to you when I'm not with you and not in front of you. It feels weird, but Karthik asked me, so yeah, I'm doing this. I don't know what to say because there are so many things that I want to tell you, yet I don't have I don't know if I would have ever been able to say this to you, but there are very few souls in my life that I have met who are pure, who have a very genuine heart, who are extremely lovable. They are so lovable that your God also listens to you, and you are one of them. I don't believe in God that much. I believe in karma, but I believe your belief in God. I don't know, you have instilled that faith in me, and the love, the affection, and the faith, the trust that you have shown to me, the care, the warmth that you have shown to me in all these 13 years, and I know for the rest of my life, it's just not friendship. It's a very special bond that we share, and there's only two things that I hope for you. One is success, because I know you have the potential to be successful, and second is happiness in whichever form, with whoever, however, wherever. I wish the bestest of happiness for you. As you say, stay blessed. I love you so much, and many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
Hello Machis, hello my lovelies. Let me start. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Ice, happy birthday Ice, happy birthday Machi, love you so much. How old you must be? 33, Sama age. Happy birthday Ice. So I have some words for you, something which is so apt for you, and this is what came up when I was thinking what I should read for you. Quickly I'll read. Karthi, no comments. It's from Psalms 20. May the Lord answer you when you are in trouble. May the God of Jacob protect you. May he send you help from his temple and give you aid from Mount Zion. May he accept all your offerings and be pleased with all your sacrifices. May he give you what you desire and make all your plans succeed. Then we will shout for joy over your victory and celebrate your triumph by praising our God. May the Lord answer all your requests. Now I know that the Lord gives victory to his chosen king. He answers him from his holy heaven, and by his power gives him great victories. Some trust in their war chariots and others in their horses, but we trust in the power of the Lord our God. Amen. Such people will stumble and fall, but we will rise and stand firm. Give victory to the King, O Lord. Answer us when we call. Absolutely, this verse, absolutely suits you, Machi. This year has been great. 2020 has been great. God has revealed in a way that this year is meant for your journey, your victory, and we are also happy celebrating it with you. and this is just another opportunity for me to kind of tell you what I really have for you. So you forgive the people so easily, Machi. You forgive the people you love so easily, and your love has no boundaries is something that I've seen. And just not once you made me fall in love with you all over again. You haven't seen my petty mistakes or whatever, or my tantrums that I throw. You have always been there when I need you, and thank you so much for that. Romba formalized puride, but I really want to say that there's just one person that I really trust and wish I could only wish that I could take this journey and friendship way forward, because you're the one who kind of got me closer to God as well. And today I think I'm on a steady journey ready to take off, and you're like one of my greatest strengths, both of you, Machi. And as much as I can see that in you, I see the same thing in Karthi also. Very pure at heart, and y'all are a really beautiful, meant for each other couple. And I'm sure the understanding is going to just get better in the days and the years and the birthdays every year. Just going to get better year after year. So love you so much. Love to my baby Kenzie, who means the world to all of us. The greatest blessing and addition in our lives, and you mean a lot to us, to everybody. You're like a light for people, lighthouse in Mangala for everybody around you, Machi. So keep going. I'm really proud of you, and all love and blessings to you. Love you guys. Love you. Bye. Happy birthday.
Hey Aisley. First of all, sorry for this. I went to borrow the lipstick today also, but she went to the river to wash clothes. I got upset, so I wished that she'd get drowned, but then she came back alright. It seems the rivers are running a little dry nowadays. Anyways, it's your birthday today, and as you know, all the birthday wishes are the same and boring. So I thought I'd write down something for you and read it out to you. This is what I have written. So I'm going to read it out to you. Here it goes. Mind you, like any answer or every answer, please focus only on the beginning and the ending part, not what lies in between, because it has no meaning. Okay? Now let's start. Thank you for coming into this world, cause of which I got to meet an amazing person like you. So my dear Aisley, many happy returns of the day. Nothing to give you on this day, but I hope you stay healthy, but not overweight. You stay beautiful. Well, start using anti-aging products into your skincare routine. You continue to scale the heights of success, because then I can borrow heaps of money from you. You be strong enough to tell Karthik to spend less on jockeys and to spend more on you. You be kind enough to sponsor a vacation for me. And the list just goes on and on. Actually, when your parents named you, they didn't know the meaning of it. So here I want to tell you that I stands for intelligent, S for serene, A for adorable, L for lovely, I for the irritating one. Well, if you want, I can frame this and send it to you so that you can sell it on eBay. After all, it's rare to see a raw talent like mine in today's world. And then with whatever you get after selling this, you can buy yourself some nice gift. But jokes apart, I love you with all my heart and happy birthday again. And please tell Karthik not to get me wrong, because I have mentioned love so many times that he might think that I am a lesbo. Please do remind him that I am already married to a man and have birthed a son. So, dear Karthik, you can keep her to yourself for your every birthday gift and spend the rest of your life with her happily. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday. Aisali, Machi, happy birthday, Machi. God bless you with another boy baby like Mama, okay? Mama மாதிரி கடவுளுக்கு நீ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு வைஃப். Happy birthday. God bless you. Have a nice day.
Aisley, many more happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Aisley auntie. Happy birthday, Aisley auntie.
Hey guys, many happy returns of the day. எப்படி தாடி சூப்பர்ல என்ஜாய் bye.
Hi Chala, many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you.
Hi Ma, happy birthday.
Hey Pakru, happy birthday.
Hi guys, happy birthday. God bless you, dear.
Happy birthday, Aisley auntie.
Happy birthday Aisley.
Happy birthday to you.